Hello and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to look at My Classes, which is a tab under Teacher Dashboard. What you see in front of you is all the classes that I'm currently teaching. They're all blue in color and they are all in a specific order. What you might not know is you can actually drag and reorder your classes however you would like. So I'm going to move this here. It's one that I'm commonly in, and I'm going to move all of my semester 1 classes. Another thing that you can do is you can go in and you can edit the class colors. I'm going to go in and color my STEAM class orange. Social studies can be green, and you get the idea. So this course right now is from 2015-2016, but I still use a lot of content. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to nickname it. It doesn't actually change the name of the course, it just changes it for me. So I'm just going to call it HCE. I go back to my classes and now you see it's called HCE. And I'm going to say, I'm going to put this after right here. I can go in and I can also unstar. So the Rents grade 5, I don't go into that class very often. I'm going to unstar it. And when I do that, it removes it from my list. So if you have something in quarter 3, quarter 4, semester 2, or maybe it's just not something that you look at, you can actually take it away from My Classes. It's always really easy to find when you click into all classes. So if you've unstarted a class by accident or you've unstarted it because you didn't need it and now you want it back, a really quick way to find that class again is to actually search by your last name. All classes is all the classes within your school, ones that you may be a co-teacher. So I'm just going to click into all classes and it's going to pull up everything, and I'm just going to quickly search for Rents. And when I do, you'll notice that all my courses are here again, but here's that one that I unstarred. So I'm going to start it, put it back in My Classes, and here it is again. Thanks for watching today's tips and tricks. If you are interested in anything particular, comment below. Otherwise, stay tuned for another one coming up soon.